Hello everyone. Today we're going to match the pictures to its sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have two letters here. Letter I makes the I sound. Letter J makes the J sound. Now let's find all the pictures that begins with a I sound and all the pictures that begins with a J sound. Iguana, iguana. Iguana. Jelly, jelly. Jelly. Jet, jet. Jet. Ice, ice. Ice. Ink, ink. Ink. Ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream. Igloo, igloo. Igloo. Jug, jug. Jug. Jam, jam. Jam. Juice, juice. Juice. Iron, iron. Iron. Jeep, jeep. Jeep. Fantastic job, well done. We found all the pictures that begins with the I sound and all the pictures that begins with a J sound. Fantastic job, well done everyone. Well done everyone, fantastic work, well done. Bye-bye and remember, keep on practicing.